Hi, good day or night everyone. I got my two boxes here from Bath and Body Works, and if you're wondering about my nails, I have a tutorial about it, so better check them out. First item is a body scrub. I really love their aromatherapy product. Nakaka-relax talaga siya and the scents are very nice. Di siya yung tipong ang sakit sa ulo or ilong. This one is a eucalyptus and spearmint stress relief invigorating body scrub. It relax and reground with this carefully crafted essential oil blend made with exfoliating sugar crystal and vitamin E. This body scrub slows away rough, dry skin and is gentle enough for everyday use. Another body scrub, an aromatherapy balanced juniper and coriander clay body scrub. It's sealed. They are both sealed. I don't want to open them yet kasi baka magusto ng cousin ko kunin niya yung isa. The fragrance juniper oil stimulates positivity and mental clarity. Coriander oils also helps regulate emotions. It is an overview infused with detoxifying white clay and exfoliating volcanic minerals. This gentle body scrub nourishes and conditions living skin, feeling clean and renewed. The rest of my unboxing here are all candles. 2 candles for my cousin and 2, of course, for me. So much love I have for this aromatherapy rose candle. I mean rose vanilla. Fave ko din yung lavender and cedarwood. I always coming back for that scent, either lotion siya, candle, or body cream. Eto for my cousin. She chose this one to try, scent of pear, Japanese cherry blossom, and sandalwood. And this is an iconic best-selling fragrance candle from Bath and Body Works. Their candles are made of soy wax blend, and all of these candles are 3 wick. Before I used to light one only, pero parang mas madali maubos, kaya ngayon I use them all together. Again, this is for my cousin. She loves lavender as much as I do. This candle is a scent of fresh lavender. I mean French lavender, moonshadow rose petals, and cashmere musk. Lastly is this sun-drenched linen candle, a scent of clean, cool linen, crisp tart, apple, and soft musk. I like the smell and how clean it is. I mean the scent. Yung mga items na nabili ko from this shop are all sale or discounted. You can check her store. I'll drop the link down. And thanks for watching this unboxing video. See you on my next vlog. Happy weekend, guys. Bye-bye.